Today, I'm going to be discussing and portraying a developmental network based on the characters from the Netflix series Tiger King. A developmental network is essentially a pathway of gene inhibitions and activations that lead to an end result in development. So we'll start with the Joe Exotic gene product that inhibits the transcription of the Carol Baskin gene because he wants to expose her crimes and have her sent to jail. But the Jeff Lowe gene product inhibits the transcription of the Joe Exotic gene because Jeff manipulated Joe and later reported information about Joe to the FBI. And the Amanda Green, the federal prosecutor gene product, activates the transcription of the James Garretson gene because in order to find out about Joe's crimes, she needed a spy. The transcribed James Garretson gene product activates the Jeff Lowe gene transcription since James needed information from someone closer to Joe. So ultimately, the developmental network in order would look like this. Amanda Green activates James Garretson activates Jeff Lowe inhibits Joe Exotic, who then inhibits Carol Baskin. So the feds encourage Garretson to spy, which encourages Jeff Lowe to share information on Joe, which sends Joe to jail, so Carol Baskin remains free and uninhibited. One potential single mutation could be if Amanda Green was mutant. If this was the case, James Garretson wouldn't get activated, therefore Jeff Lowe wouldn't get activated, so Joe Exotic would actually be transcribed, and he would go on to inhibit Carol Baskin. And another single mutation that could be possible would be if Jeff Lowe gene was mutated. In this scenario, the feds would activate Garretson as planned, but the Jeff Lowe gene product would not get transcribed, resulting in another situation where Joe Exotic is able to inhibit Carol Baskin. In the case of a double mutation of the Amanda Green gene and the James Garretson gene, Joe Exotic would again walk free and be able to inhibit Carol Baskin since the Jeff Lowe gene would never get transcribed and therefore it would never inhibit Joe Exotic. And a different double mutation scenario could be if Jeff and Joe genes were both mutated. In this case, the Amanda Green gene would still activate Garretson, and that would try to activate the Jeff Lowe gene, but it would be unsuccessful. So Jeff would not be activated by Garretson, and since Joe is also mutated, the result would still be the same as if there were no mutations at all, because Joe would not be able to inhibit Carol Baskin, and she would remain uninhibited and free.